Hello, I'm Adam, sales engineer here at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the TDFS2 Thermal Dispersion Flow Switch. Today, I will be showing you how to adjust the set point of the flow switch. Once the TDFS2 is installed properly and powered, set the system flow to the desired set point flow rate. Once the proper flow rate is achieved, tap the set point target 3 times with the supplied magnet. There are 2 set point targets on the unit, which are located under the LED status indicators. Either set point target can be used and either end of the magnet can be used. Be sure to move the magnet approximately 2 inches away from the set point targets between each tap, as well as making sure the taps are approximately 1 second apart. The LED status indicator will blink slowly when the set point target request is recognized, and the TDFS2 will be ready for use. To learn more or order any Dwyer products, please visit our website, and thanks for watching.